Hey guys, this is Eli from Elivate Lifestyle, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the 4 tips that I like to use to maximize my bench press. So those 4 things that I like to focus on go hand, back, hand, bar. So what that means is it's hand placement, back squeeze, hand squeeze, and bar path. So what that is for me, hand placement is important because it basically dictates how much of tricep you want to use in the movement versus how much chest you want to use in the movement. You know, it's if you're more focused on power, kind of going more like a powerlifting route, you want to have more of a wider base. You want to have a wider grip. And that will help you ultimately be able to do more weight. You'll be able to do more weight doing wide grip than you will close grip, usually, unless you have really strong triceps. And so that's the first thing. So for me, what that looks like is basically I have these rings on the bar. And so what I like to do is I like to place this ring in between my pinky and my ring finger, and I squeeze right about there. And I do that for both hands, obviously, so that it's symmetrical. And then squeeze. The shoulders are depressed down and then squeezed back. So down, back. So regular down and then squeeze back. And that's what you want to focus on to have that strong base. And I'll show you what that looks like in a second. And the third thing I said was hand squeeze. What that is when you lift the bar off, you want to be squeezing the bar as hard as you can. And you want to pop that thing off there. And this will help tremendously to just recruit all of the muscles and everything that you need. Your body's primed, it's squeezed, everything's squeezed, your back's squeezed, hands are squeezed up through your forearms, up through your back, through your chest, everything is ready to go. And when you pop it off and you're squeezing the bar, the fourth thing I said was bar path. So the bar path, it doesn't go, like when you bench, it doesn't just go straight in a straight line. It goes like this, down, up, down, up. It just kind of has a natural curve when you are bench pressing. And here I'll show you what that looks like. So here I have the bar, and when I come down, what I want to focus on is hand placement. So I get my hands in a good place, and again, making sure that my elbows aren't here. My elbows aren't flared. My elbows are tucked in, not all the way in, and they're not tucked all the way out. You want to go in between from being your elbows all the way flared out to your elbows being all the way in. You want to go in the middle, right here. Boom, right here. So now, with that in mind, I get the bar right, and then I want to put my back deep into the bench as much as I can, and squeeze. I'm squeezing my back together right now as much as I can. Get the bar, squeeze the bar as hard as I can, pop it up, and now the bar path. This is step number 4. Everything is locked in. I'm squeezing the bar. I got the shoulders back, right? This is my shoulders forward. My shoulders when they're forward, my shoulders when they're back. This is strong. This is weak. This is this is not good. You want everything to be squeezed and back. So now when I come down, I'm going to come down right at about my at the bottom of my sternum. You know, right above where my abs would be. And then pop it up. And so it comes down, touch, up. And you see the bar isn't going straight. If the bar was going straight down and up, it would go like this. That's bad because I'm flaring my elbows. I have to flare my elbows to do that. The bar is curving down naturally, and then curving back up naturally to about my chin. So it goes from about Well, about my upper chest, it goes from my upper chest and then curves down to my sternum, the bottom of my sternum. And that's what I like to do. That is kind of my 4 tips to having a stronger bench press. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please leave it a like. It really helps me out. And I hope you guys get a stronger bench and keep getting stronger. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.